Vicky Vinales chocolate triangle. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing it right, so let's try. Really moist. This part here. This one is imagine eating the chocolate crunch of Ferrero. Hindi kayo.
Pag news na doon, di ba? Kung itatampo. Parang ka sa Andy Hotel. Wala na ka food stay.
Same pa birthday ni mo.
Ay, yun na doon.